Are you about to paint your home? If so, stop. Before you go ahead and buy that paint, let me show you why picking the wrong one could actually be costing you money in the long run. I've been a pro painter for 25 years, and I've seen homeowners and contractors alike make these costly mistakes time and time again. Let's make sure that you are not one of them. And hey, if you like straight to the point, no fluff painting advice, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I drop pro tips every week that will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. So mistake number one that people make is that they feel that buying cheap paint is going to end up saving them money. Now, personally, I get it. Paint can be really expensive. But if you go for the cheapest option, you're not actually saving anything. And here's why. Because if you use cheap paint, you need to apply more coats. It takes longer because it's not as user-friendly. It's more sloppy, and it doesn't last as long. This means that you're going to be repainting way sooner, costing you more money both now and in the long run. So here's the fix. Instead of buying cheap paint, get something like Sherwin-Williams Emerald or Benjamin Moore's Aura for your walls. You'll need fewer coats, it's going to last longer, and you won't have to redo it as often. Whether you're a pro like me or a DIYer, quality is the best way to go. Mistake number two is using the wrong sheen for your paint job. Ever seen walls that were too shiny and showed everything? Or others that were too dull and impossible to clean? That's because someone picked the wrong sheen. Here's the fix. If we learn how to pick the right sheen for our space, you'll save yourself time, money, and a lot of frustration down the road. Let me give you a quick pro painter's guide. Use this to help you figure out which sheen that you should put and where. I would use a flat or a matte sheen for the following areas. It's perfect for ceilings or low traffic walls and does a beautiful job of hiding imperfections. If you're looking to paint your walls, you actually get more options. I would use a matte, an eggshell, or a satin in those spaces. This is great for living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms because it's easy to clean and it's not too shiny. I would use a satin or a semi-gloss or doors and cabinets. I like it because it's super durable and it's easy to be able to wipe clean. Then we come to gloss, and if you choose this, you should use it sparingly. We need to remember, the higher the sheen that we go, the more it's going to show the imperfections on the painted surface beneath. And now we look at mistake number three. Do you have kids, pets, or you're just a really busy household? If you answered yes to any of these, you need a paint that can hold up. What's the biggest mistake? That would be using a cheap flat paint in these high traffic areas. It scuffs, it stains, and it does not wipe clean. The fix, and trust me, I always tell people this, make sure that you get the highest quality paint that you can afford. Remember, there's few areas in remodeling where you could go from a mid-grade product to a high-end product for quite literally just a few dollars. When you use the right paint, it's going to save you a lot of time, it'll make touch-ups a lot easier, and it's going to keep your home looking fresh longer. Here's a cheat sheet for the best wall paints from the three biggest manufacturers. You can get professional results by going to Sherwin-Williams and buying their Duration or their Emerald. If you like Benjamin Moore, use their Regal or their Aura. Or if you prefer Behr, spring for the Marquee or their Dynasty line. If you're interested in looking at the pros and cons of each product, why don't you check out this video and we'll break it all down for you. There's going to be a link in the description below. Okay, so now you know what the biggest mistakes are when people go and buy paint. But we want to hear from you. As of right now, what is giving you that painting headache? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see if we can help you out. And if this video has saved you from wasting money on bad paint, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you never miss a pro tip when it comes to choosing the best paint, how to avoid costly mistakes, and turn your home into a beautiful masterpiece. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.